Hello everyone, this is Chef Varun Bajaj. So today with the Punjab eggs, we are going to start with egg white powder in our bakery standard. I have here a home chef, Mrs. Viva Bajaj. She is going to just start doing a macaroons with our egg white powder. Okay, so very basics. We just need 4 ingredients and it's going to be a fabulous recipe to start off with. We are having here a castor sugar, almond powder, Punjab egg white powder, and we are going to use water. The water has to be lukewarm. So we are using 84 grams of almond powder. The best part of using egg white powder is you don't need to break the eggs. You don't need to break the shell eggs. As you can see, egg white powder makes your life easy in terms of application, as well as all the food products are used as standard.
Toasting of almond powder is ready. We will just keep it here and rest it for 5 to 10 minutes. Here is our mixing of egg white powder. So here in the macaroon recipe, we are using 1:4 the ratio of the egg white powder. In the water, we are mixing the egg white powder. For this, make sure that there should not be any lump formation. So always add lukewarm water. And you will see here the aeration started to happen over the egg white powder. It's exactly the same egg white which we use from our shelf, but it is sprayed right and you can have a better shelf life of this product. So we will just put it inside our planetary mixer. Here we have the egg white mixture which we have put it in the planetary mixer. We are adding the cream of tartar, just 1/4 teaspoon. This is the trick which we have to be careful that don't add sugar at one go. We have to add little by little. So we have our meringue which is ready. You see here the shininess and the peak. This is what is a real egg white powder after it is mixed well with sugar and water. And here what we are going to do is add the toasted almond powder which we have already toasted, and we will do the sieving process so that no crumble are going inside the mixture.
The aeration helps the product to come up very nicely. After sieving the almond powder, our next step is icing sugar. Here goes the icing sugar and we will do the sieving of icing sugar also.
We have mixed our almond powder and the sieved icing sugar. This is the mixture ready. We will transfer into a small ball.
And I keep mixing. So cut and fold method is basically you don't need to mix it very fast, because whatever the formation you have done, it'll keep on going down.
And mix it slowly and keep on adding your mixture of almond powder in the egg white mixture.
You see here the color has started changing to light pink to dark pink. I will just show you the consistency and after adding the color. So we will keep this mixture and put it into a piping bag. You can have piping bag and just fill this mixture inside this bag. Don't fill it to the full, keep it to the half so that there is some air left for the pressure to create on the piping bag. So this is our macaroon sheet where we are going to make it, and we will just do lightly brush with butter or olive oil. Make sure you form little peaks on top so that once we are keeping it on rest, tapping it on. Okay, we'll do one. After 50 minutes, we have kept it in the air conditioned environment and you can see the peaks which are formed nice.
Now we are going to put it in the oven, which is cold right now, but you have to heat along with the macaroons up to 140 degrees centigrade for 15 minutes. So let's put it in the cold oven. So here it goes, the macaroons. Nicely stirred and ready, which we have to put our chocolate ganache ready, cooling it up after 15 minutes.
I must say, macaroons take a lot of time, but yeah, the patience results in the perfect macaroons with the skirting. Here we can see the nice structure already ready, and now we are going to do the final chocolate ganache by ma'am. She's going to do the layering. You can see the skirting. So this is what is a perfect macaroon, and you see nicely done on the back side. Very lightweight. And this is like a sandwich. Fabulous. Looks awesome.
Do you think I used this shell eggs or egg liquid? No, I didn't use any of them. I used Peg's egg white powder for doing this macaroon with Miss Vibha ma'am. The results were just amazing. You can have the egg powder ready at your doorstep, always with 24 months shelf life. Looking forward, make your life easy and no need to rush to the supermarkets.